Asphalt paving for your driveway. Are you looking to make your driveway a little more stable? Do you want an option that is high quality? If so, considering asphalt paving for the area is a smart choice. There are many benefits to having this material as the path to your home. Keep reading to learn how you can find someone that can install asphalt paving for your driveway. First of all, you can ask your friends and family members if they know of anyone that offers asphalt paving. Find out as much information as you can about the companies they tell you about. Would they recommend them? Would they use them again? If not, why? Were their prices fair? Do they show up on time? Do they offer quality work? Learning as much as you can about area asphalt paving companies gives you the information you need to make a decision. Next, research any companies that you have heard of or find one online. By learning about the companies in your area that offer asphalt paving, you can read the reviews left by those who have used the services of various companies. Again, this knowledge can help you make the best decision for your new driveway. Once you have found a company or two that you are considering, contact them for an estimate. When you get the estimates from the asphalt paving companies, make sure that each estimate contains the exact same thing. If one estimate is quite a bit lower, find out why, because you want to make sure they aren't offering a lower price for a lesser service. You won't be too happy to get a driveway that isn't the quality that you expected. Then, make your choice. Once you decide who you want to pave your driveway, contact the company and let them know. Depending on the company, some may have you sign a contract, pay up front, pay a certain percentage, or other options. Find out exactly how the process works so you will know what's going on with the job and when you will be expected to pay and what you will need to pay. In conclusion, it is important to do your research when choosing a company to hire for your new driveway. Find out as much as you can, get your estimate, hire the company. Then, you will be ready to enjoy your asphalt driveway for years to come. For more information and any needed help, check the Lakeland Asphalt Repair website.